Setting up your first global employee with Oyster can seem like a complex task, but it's actually simpler than you might think. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started, so you can manage your global workforce with ease and focus on growing your business. Stick with me till the end, and I'll also share how you can access an exclusive and extended free trial to Oyster. Oyster is a game changer when it comes to managing remote teams and hiring global employees. The platform takes care of everything from legal compliance to payroll, so you can focus on what really matters: building a high-performing team. What's great is that it lets you onboard employees no matter where they're based, without worrying about local regulations, taxes, or other red tape. First things first, to set up your first global employee, you'll need to create an account on Oyster. Once you're in, the process is streamlined. You'll enter some basic information about your company and the role you're hiring for. From there, the platform guides you through the process of creating a contract that's compliant with the local laws of the country where your employee will be based. No need to stress about legal jargon. Oyster automatically generates contracts that meet all the necessary legal requirements in the employee's home country. Next, you'll need to provide the employee's details, including their personal information, role, salary, and benefits package. Oyster allows you to customize the compensation plan based on the country your employee is in, ensuring they're paid in local currency and that all benefits are compliant with the local laws. Once the details are filled in, you'll have the option to choose the payment method. Oyster supports both local bank transfers and global payment methods, making it simple for your employee to get paid no matter where they are. What's awesome here is that Oyster also handles things like payroll, taxes, social security, and other deductions automatically, so there's no need for you to worry about staying compliant in every country. But that's not all. Oyster also helps with setting up the right benefits for your global employee. From health insurance to retirement contributions, you can easily offer a competitive benefits package that matches local standards. The platform is integrated with local providers, so setting up benefits is just a few clicks away. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to manage your employees' contracts, payments, and benefits all from one easy-to-use dashboard. This gives you complete visibility and control over your global workforce, so you can make adjustments whenever necessary. Now, if you're wondering about the cost, you're in luck. I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can try Oyster for free through the first link below, and with my exclusive bonuses, you can unlock an extended free trial, giving you a deeper look at everything this platform has to offer. Managing a global workforce has never been easier. Oyster eliminates the headaches of international hiring and makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes. From compliance to payroll to benefits, everything is handled for you. In conclusion, setting up your first global employee with Oyster is straightforward and stress-free. You get a full-service solution that saves time, ensures compliance, and provides a competitive edge in attracting top talent worldwide. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below and get started with Oyster today.